Little storyteller.
Lily, a girl with bright eyes and a smile as sunny as a summer day, loved to draw. Her favorite creations were her crayon drawings, especially a cheerful chef with a tall, wobbly hat named Chef Doodle. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided that Chef Doodle would have his very own cooking show. She carefully arranged her drawings on her bright yellow desk. Chef Doodle stood proudly in front of a colorful drawing of a kitchen. His crayon smile was extra wide today. "Welcome everyone to Doodle Delights," he announced in a cheerful, squeaky voice. At least, that's how Lily imagined it. Behind him, drawn on blue paper, were shelves filled with jars of colorful crayon shavings, his special spices. Today's recipe was rainbow rice pudding. Chef Doodle carefully scooped up some white paper cutouts. "First we need our fluffy rice," Lily giggled, watching her drawn chef. Next, Chef Doodle sprinkled red crayon shavings for a sweet strawberry flavor, then came blue for blueberry, yellow for banana, and green for lime. The drawn rice pudding looked like a swirl of happy colors. Suddenly, a little drawn bunny with fluffy white fur hopped into the kitchen. It was Pip, Chef Doodle's helper. "Chef Doodle," squeaked Pip, "I can't find the sparkly star sprinkles." The sparkly star sprinkles were tiny pieces of glitter Lily sometimes added to her drawings. Chef Doodle put a crayon hand on his chin, thinking hard. Then his crayon smile brightened. "Don't worry, Pip, we can use yellow crayon shavings instead. They'll look just like little stars." Pip's drawn nose twitched with excitement. "Oh, what a good idea, Chef." Together, Chef Doodle and Pip sprinkled the yellow crayon stars on the rainbow rice pudding. It looked perfect. "And now," Chef Doodle announced proudly, "a taste." He pretended to take a big bite, his crayon cheeks puffing out. Pip clapped his drawn paws. The show was a success. Lily beamed at her drawings. Chef Doodle and Pip gave each other a high five, or rather, a high crayon and a high drawn paw. They learned that even when something is missing, you can always find a colorful and fun way to solve the problem. And that, Lily thought, was a very tasty lesson indeed.
Please subscribe. Thank you.